Hi guys, welcome to the Twins Take. And today what we're going to be making is Christmas tree pop-up pop. Let's totally get started. Oh, and before we do, this is going to be awesome, so hit that little subscribe button, please. Okay, so we've got all the tools we need. We have scissors, Elmer's glue, white pieces of paper, 2 stars, and green paper.
But special Elmer glue that dries quickly, the purple kind.
The purple kind, yes. Okay, so what we're going to start on is we're going to open our folded pieces of papers. So first, then we're going to get our stars. We're going to set them aside. So we're going to do a pop-up book where this is the bottom of the Christmas tree and the top of it, and the length that this is going to be, and the length that this is how big the bottom of your Christmas tree. So I recommend to cut right in the middle, all the way up. So then what we're going to do, we're going to fold it up, flip it over, and then the same amount that we did on the other side, we're going to fold it down and down. So now what you want to do is you want to trim the edges, and they're just the size you want. Then you're going to fold it in half. Okay, so once we folded it in half, this part and this part is going to be the bottom piece of our Christmas tree. So what we're going to do, this is the middle of our paper. We're going to glue these 2 pieces together. Put these here. So when it opens, we're going to have a beautiful Christmas tree pop out like that. Just like that. So you want this little crease of the paper to go right where the middle piece of the paper is. How do I put my nose? So fold it up like this. You're going to want to put glue on this side and that side. So a lot of glue so it stays on. It's really strong glue. Okay. So now that we've done it, now what we're going to do is we're going to stick it in on the middle as I told you. So this is going to be the bottom, so stick it on the bottom. Turn it over, stick it on the other side. Okay, so when we glue these 2 pieces of paper together, that's how it's going to look. It's going to close, and it's all flat, and then it's going to open. Beautiful Christmas tree inside. So let's start gluing these pieces together. Just on one side, because most kids would think. So now we're going to close it again to make sure it sticks together. Smooth it all around. So now it popped open like that. And make sure it's really glued. If it doesn't work, you might need just a little bit more glue. Or less glue, or you just need to push it down more. Now we're going to start on our second. So we're going to do the same thing. It's just going to be, the length of this is just going to be a little smaller than the last one. Probably about that small at least. Or if you want to, you can start on a new piece of paper. Make it move our book aside. Okay. So we did the 1 inch. Flip. Next inch. Okay, so if the last one isn't big enough, I'm gonna trim that part off because we need it, because for this you want it all the same size. And then you're gonna stick it on. So this time, when it gets to the top of the tree, you don't want to fold it over too many times or it'll look a little weird. Okay, I've stuck mine on. And just to see where the crack's gonna be, I'm gonna fold it over because I didn't fold it here. Okay. Put some glue there, and then we're going to fold it over again. So this is how it's looking. Glue it on. So you can make an umbrella with one of these. You can make a rainbow, perhaps, if you have a rainbow colored piece of paper. You can make clouds. Anything you really want. Okay. Now the top of the Christmas tree is very, very tricky up here. You want it very, very small, which might be a really hard way to fold it at the time. But I know a really easy way to do it. So, watch and learn. I'm going to fold it out and in again, like we did. Okay, we have an extra trim, so we're going to trim that off. There you have a beautiful Christmas tree. What you can do, as I said, we've got some stars. So you can take your star and you can glue it to the very top of this tree. Now this won't pop up, but the rest of your tree will. I'm going to keep it closed. And then I'm going to put my scissors on it because there's some paper on it. So I'm going to show you how I cut out the stars. I drew one of those 3D ones. She's got a little star. What we're going to do, I'm just going to tape mine to the top of the tree. Just like that. I'm going to put a little tape on the back. Or some glue. Stick it on there. Just stuff it on there. And there's your Christmas tree decoration. This is perfect for holidays. So now for your last touch, we can get some markers. Here is this one. Perfect. Good job, Whitmore. And we're going to we can draw a little stem at the bottom. And this is easy. This is easy, and just everybody can draw. Everybody draws different, so everybody has their own personality. So it doesn't matter what it looks like; it's perfect. So I drew my little stem, and you can add some presents to the tree, just like it is. Even draw a Santa holding a toy sack. Okay, so we hope you liked this video. Like and subscribe and hit the comment below if you want us to do any more art crafts, any more cool pop-up ideas. We'll have that in mind. And subscribe and like to the Twins Take and stay in tune for our next video. Bye. Bye.